In this video, we shall teach you mass number trick. How to get mass number for the first 30th element. For JUPEB student, BAEC student, JAMB student, there are some calculations you will see. Mostly in JUPEB and in JAMB, you won't be given the mass number, and the mass number will be needed to carry out the word calculation to solve the questions. And you have to know this mass number offhand. I want to give you the trick on how to know the mass number for the first 30th element. If you are not given, you can easily know them. They are very simple. They are very simple. And before I give you the trick, let me give you the periodic table of the first 30th element, where you have hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. You have iron, cobalt, nickel. You have copper, zinc. You have boron, aluminium, carbon, silicon, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine, helium, neon, and argon. This is the periodic table of the first 30th element. I can even add to this gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. But I will only give you the trick for first 30th element. This is what group 1, group 2, group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Group 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, group 8A. This is what, and this group 3A can also be called group 13, group 4A can be called group 14, group 5A 15, group 6A 16, group 7A 17, group 8A 18. Then you can call this group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Please, then let us look at this trick. This trick, the first rule, the rule I want to give you now is for first 20th element. Let me first of all explain how you can get the mass number for the first 20th element. The first rule, if atomic number is an even number, multiply that atomic number by what? 2. The next rule, if atomic number is an odd number, multiply that atomic number by 2, then add 1. Then add 1. But this rule is not working for 4 elements between atomic number 1 to 20 in the periodic table. It's not working for 4 elements in 1 to 20th element. Those elements are beryllium, nitrogen, chlorine, argon. It's not working for these 4 elements. They are special elements. The rule does not work. And none of this rule work for them. Then let's go. Atomic number 1. The element with atomic number 1 is hydrogen. Element with atomic number 2 is helium. Element with atomic number 3, lithium. 4, beryllium. Boron. 5, carbon. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is fluorine. Sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Argon atomic number 18. Potassium atomic number 19. Calcium atomic number 20. Scandium atomic number 21. Titanium atomic number 22. Vanadium atomic number 23. But this rule is for first 28 element. Let's go. Atomic number 1. The element is hydrogen. This one, mass number is 1. Don't bother yourself. Atomic number 2 is what? Helium. And 2 is what? Even number. What did I say about even number? Multiplied by what? 2. That means even number multiplied by 2. Therefore, the mass number is what? 4. 3. That is lithium. Lithium has atomic number 3. 1, 2, 3. Lithium is 3. Atomic number 3. That means 3. And 3 is what? Odd number. What did I say about odd number? Multiply by 2, then add 1. Multiply by 2. 3 times 2, 6. Add 1, making what? 7. Now the mass number of lithium is 7. Atomic number 4, we have beryllium. I told you it's a special case. Let us leave it for now. We have boron. Atomic number 5. 5 is what? Even number. What did I say about even number? Multiply by what? 2. Then add 1. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 1. 11. I mean, you are following. Let us follow. Carbon. Atomic number 6. 6 is what? Even number. That means 6 times 2. Making what? 12. Mass number of carbon is what? 12. There's a video that will be released on relative atomic mass. We know mass number of carbon is what? 12. Let's move. We have nitrogen. It's a special number. Atomic number 7. Nitrogen. Let's leave it for now. We have oxygen. 8. 8 is what? Even number. What did I say? Multiply by 2. That is what? 16. 9. 9 is what? Fluorine. 9 is what? Odd number. Multiply by what? 2. Then add 1. 9 times 2 is what? 18. Multiply or add 1 to it. That is what? 19. Mass number of fluorine is 19. Then 10, which is what? Neon. 10 is what? Even number. That means even number, what let's say, multiply by 2. That means the mass number of neon is what? 20. 11, that is what? Sodium. Sodium is 11. That means atomic number 11 is what? Odd number. What let's say about odd number? Multiply by 2. Add 1. 11 times 2, 22. Plus 1, 23. Let me rub up the board. Let me continue rub up the board. Rub up the board. Hope that I will still give you what? Yeah, beryllium, nitrogen. Okay, before I rub up the board, let me give you. Beryllium is a special case. The atomic number, mass number of beryllium is what? 9. Take note, 9. For nitrogen, a special case. The mass number is what? 14. 14. Take note of them. They are special word cases. Let us rub up the board now. I have this. I have this. I have this. I have this. I have this, 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 I have this. Okay, atomic number 12, which is magnesium. Magnesium has atomic number 12. 12 is what? Even number. That is 12 times 2. Mass number of magnesium is what? 24. 13, aluminium. Aluminium has atomic number of 13. 13 is what? Odd number. What did I say? 13 times 2 plus 1, 27. I have 14. 14 is what? Silicon. Silicon is what? A semiconductor. It's a semiconductor. It's a metalloid. Let's move. When we get into the topic, I will explain better. Silicon. Atomic number 14. 14 is what? Even number. That means, what did I say? Multiplied by 2. That is what? 28. We have 15. Phosphorus. 15 is what? Odd number. 15 times 2, 30 plus 1. That is what? 31. 16. We have sulfur. Atomic number 16, and 16 is what? Even number. Multiplied by what? 2. That is what? 32. We have 17, which is chlorine. Chlorine is a special case. I told you, a special case doesn't follow the word obey any one of the rule. Let me give you direct. It's what? 35.5. No, that one is a special case. Then 18, we have argon. 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 I told you argon is also a what? A special element that does not follow the rule. Is what? Atomic number is what? 40. Argon is what? 40. Then we have 19. 19 is what? Potassium. And 19 is what? Odd number. That is 19 times 2. What is 19 times 2? 38. Then add 1 plus 1. That is 39. Then 20. Calcium. 20 is what? Even number. That means multiplied by 2. There, which is what? 40. That means, can you see? Very simple. For 20th element. That is for the first 20 elements. 1 to 20 elements. Then let us go to what? 21 to 30. In next video, I will do 40 to 50. But let's go to what? 20 to 30 now. That is another rule. 20 to 30. 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 You can pause it. And 20 to 30. 20 to 30. 20 to 30. 20. I'm sorry. 21 to 30. Because I've done 20. 20 is for calcium. 21 to 30 elements. 21 to 30 elements. What is the rule? This one has 3 rules. The first one, if atomic number is divisible by 7, is divisible by 7, what will you do? Multiply the atomic number by 2, then add 3. If the atomic number is divisible by what? 7. Multiply the atomic number by what? 2. Then add 3. I will explain. Next one. If atomic number is even number, what will you do? This one, multiply by 2. Then add 4. Next one. If atomic number is odd number, multiply that atomic number by 2, then add 5. That's it. Very easy. The first one, if atomic number is divisible by 7, multiply that atomic number by 2, then add 3. If atomic number is even number, multiply by 2, then add 4. If atomic number is odd number, multiply by 2, then add 5. Then let's do. We have 21, which is scandium. We have 22, which is for titanium. We have 23, which is for vanadium. We have 24, which is for chromium. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 25, which is what? Manganese. We have what? 26, which is what? Iron. We have what? 27, which is cobalt. We have 28, which is nickel. We have 29, which is what? Copper. We have 30, which is what? Zinc. Let us look at the one that is divisible by 7. 21 is divisible by 7. 28 is divisible by 7. That means 7 can divide what? 21. 7 can divide what? 28. They are divisible by 7. They are the only 2 here. They are the only 2. Yes, they are the only 2. What are we going to do? That is 21. I said multiply the atomic number by 2. Then add 3. 21 times 2. 21 times 2 will give you what? 42. Then plus 3. That is what? 45. 45. Then go to what? This. Go to this. 28 times 2. That is what? 28 times 2. That will give you what? 56. I mean 56. Then add 3, which will give you what? 59. I've done that. Then let's go to next one. 22 is what? Even number. It's even number. And I say for even number, multiply by 2, add 4. That means 22 times what? 2. 22 times 2 will give you 44. Then add what? 4 plus 4, which will give you what? 48. Let us look at another even number. This one. 24 times 2, which will give you what? 48. Then add 4. That will give you what? 52. Another even number, 26. That is 26 times 2, which will give you what? 26 times 2 will give you 52. Then add 4. Then add 4. 52 plus 4 will give you what? 56. I'm still coming back to this. It's an odd number. Then let's go. Which one again is odd number? This one is a special case. Let me give you direct. The mass number of zinc is what? 65. This one is also a special case. The mass number of copper is what? 63.5. Then let's go to what? Even number. 23 is an even number. That means 23 times 2. That is what? 46. Plus 5. I say, if it is an even number, add 5. Plus 5. That is what? 51. 51. This is an even odd number. 25 times 2, which is 50. Plus 5. That means 55. This one is odd number. 27 times 2. That is 54. Plus 5. That is 59. Please look at this. This is a special case. This is a special case. Please watch this video. Please press the subscribe button. Share it with your friend. Like, comment. May God bless you. Thank you.